this. Staggered stance, I find more balance in. And you're just bringing your arms up and out to the side. Slowly back down, thinking about maintaining that core engagement as you're in this position. And slowly lowering down. Perfect. So we have rows, back flies. Now for the lower body, I have another video that talks about good mornings. So you can do a good morning. Watch that video for more instructions where you hinge back, drive those glutes and lower belly and scoop up. Good mornings are great. A similar movement to good mornings, but we're going to add a weight to, and you're pulling the weight from the ground as opposed to lowering from the top with the good morning, is I'm going to hinge down and then pick up the weight as I pull up. So with this, when I'm lifting the weight, I'm engaging my core. So watching those videos to help support this deep core engagement videos would be helpful. So I'm going to scoop my lower belly as I engage my glutes.